All right, so let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today, Thursday, March 11th, and we're going to do this in 5 minutes or less. Well, the Dow made a new all-time high today again. And also today, the S&P 500 said, "Wait for me," and the S&P 500 made a record high as well. Let's take a look at the indices. So as you can see here, the Dow finished 0.6% higher and made another record high. So this is 2 in a row. Now let's take a look at the S&P, and the S&P 500 today, there we go, also made a new record high. Barely, but it is enough. So finished up 1.04%, and yes, we do have a record high. And the NASDAQ, well, the NASDAQ desperately tries to catch up here. So as you can see, the NASDAQ is still pretty far away from a high, from a new all-time high here. But anyhow, today had another great run, up 2.4%. As you can see, still no record highs for the NASDAQ though. So what happened today? Let's take a look at this. Well, the big news this afternoon were that President Biden signed the $1.9 trillion stimulus package into law. And this plan will send direct payments of up to $1,400 to most Americans, and it will also put nearly $20 billion into COVID-19 vaccinations. Anyhow, the good news also, the White House said today that the stimulus checks should start hitting bank accounts this weekend. Now, on the economic front, we also had some good news. So let me just share the iPad here again. And I'm going to show you the economic calendar. And today, we did have unemployment claims coming in right here. This is where you see it. And as you can see, they came in slightly better than expected. So the Labor Department reported that first-time filings for unemployment insurance last week came in at 712,000, which is below the expectations of 730,000 and also below last week's 754,000. So that's a drop of 42,000. And yesterday we saw that the inflation data here in the US was in line with expectations. So the lower unemployment numbers are another win for the week. And that's a solid sign that we are making good progress toward a pre-pandemic life. Now, let's take a look at a few stocks that were making headlines today. And the first stock that comes to mind here today is GE, General Electric. And General Electric dropped actually, as you can see, 7.4% after they surprisingly announced a 1-to-8 reverse stock split. And that would make the stocks way more expensive because after a 1.8 stock split, GE, instead of trading at $12, would be trading at $100. Now, often companies announce a regular stock split like Apple did and Tesla, which makes shares less expensive. So a reverse stock split is a way for a company to avoid being delisted from an exchange. So no idea what GE has in mind there, but obviously traders did not like this. So another company that fell today was Oracle. There we go, Oracle. So what happened here to Oracle? They reported earnings, as you can see, and earnings were better than expected, but they said that this quarter earnings could be lower, and so this sent the shares lower by 6.5%. Now, a few winners today, one of them being NIO, the electric car maker, actually posted an 11.4% gain, and as you see, after being down for the past few weeks, we see a nice rebound here. And together with NIO, also Tesla. Tesla had a phenomenal run for the past few days. I mean, being up here more than 20%. And there's still a follow through, as you can see. Also, Tesla has been plummeting, but today up 4.7%. So what's in store for the remainder of the week? And honestly, new record highs. This is what we see right now. Again, today the Dow made new record highs for the second day in a row, and the S&P caught up and made new record highs as well. So, you see, people will receive their stimulus checks this weekend. Jobless claims are dropping. Inflation seems to be under control for now. Texas allows businesses to operate at 100% since yesterday. So plenty of reasons to celebrate with new record highs. But let's see if this continues tomorrow. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news. And always keep in mind, trade what you see and not what you think. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.